Welcome to the Chestnut Hill Reservoir, a scenic urban retreat in Boston. In this photo, a group of ducks enjoys the calm waters near the reservoir's rocky edge. The orange traffic cone, while an odd companion to nature, reminds visitors of ongoing maintenance and safety in this well-loved area. Ducks are a common sight here, adding to the tranquil atmosphere. Next, we see the local wildlife thriving, a family of Canadian geese with their fluffy goslings. The reservoir's grassy edges offer the perfect habitat for geese to graze and raise their young. These moments of natural harmony are what make the Chestnut Hill Reservoir a favorite spot for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Here, the sunlight dances on the water, creating a beautiful backdrop for this goose family. The parents keep a watchful eye as their goslings explore their surroundings. This photo captures the peaceful coexistence of wildlife and humans in the reservoir's ecosystem. In this shot, the goslings are front and center, busy foraging on the grassy bank. Their downy feathers gleam in the sunlight, a charming reminder of the reservoir's role as a haven for wildlife in the midst of urban life. Families of geese like this one are a familiar sight along the reservoir's walking trail. This well-maintained path invites visitors to take a peaceful stroll while observing nature up close. The scene is both vibrant and serene, a testament to the balance between recreation and preservation here. Shifting to the evening, the Chestnut Hill Reservoir transforms into a magical landscape. The setting sun reflects off the still water, painting the sky in hues of gold and blue. This is a perfect moment to pause and appreciate the beauty of nature's artistry. Twilight casts a soft glow over the reservoir, illuminating the historic structures in the distance. These buildings, including the nearby pumping station, add to the reservoir's charm and provide a glimpse into Boston's rich history. Wildflowers bloom along the reservoir's edge, adding vibrant color to the serene landscape. Their cheerful presence contrasts beautifully with the tranquil reflections on the water, making this a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers alike. In this intimate scene, we see a swan gracefully resting on the water behind a curtain of yellow wildflowers. Swans, often associated with grace and beauty, are a rare but cherished sight at the reservoir, elevating its idyllic charm. Finally, this photo captures a heron standing tall among smaller birds. With the historic pumping station in the background, the scene beautifully blends the natural and man-made elements of the Chestnut Hill Reservoir. This is a perfect ending to our journey, a place where nature, history, and community come together. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more like this.